Why is everything that I've been talking about so important in order to go see an attorney? Well, let me tell you, there is a lot of these issues going on. There are a lot of employees who need an attorney to help them out. Unfortunately, in the area of employment law for employees or plaintiffs, there are not a lot of attorneys who practice in this area. It's a very difficult area for attorneys to make money and to be able to sustain a practice. So there are not a lot of attorneys in the phone book that you're going to be able to contact. So here's what you want to do if you need to see a lawyer. The best thing to do is to have all your paperwork together. Have any emails, any logs, any calendars, anything that shows what was going on in the workplace. And you also want to have a timeline. Put down exactly what happened. This helps the attorney to understand what went on. Because a lot of times, you can spend a long time in detail, but an attorney doesn't usually have a lot of time to hear your case. So you want to put it together, you want to summarize really well, you want to put it in a timeline, and maybe even get them that timeline before you go to meet them in the first consultation. And you also want to just be prepared to talk exactly about what happened. And you know what? If you followed a lot of these points that we've talked about in this seminar today, you will have a much better chance of getting an attorney to take you on what's called contingency. A contingency agreement means that you don't have to pay that attorney for their time. You will only be giving them a percentage of whatever they might win for you at court or that you might get in a settlement. And that is a much easier way for you to go than trying to pay an attorney on their hourly rate, which can get very expensive very quickly. So again, if you've taken some of this information, you've learned from it, and you've used it, I'll let you know for sure that you'd be able to find an attorney much easier than you would otherwise.